How to make money on Fiverr. The complete guide. Quotes on the road post travel blog. How to make money on Fiverr. The complete guide. If you work remotely and know how to make money on Fiverr, your earning potential is endless with Fiverr. You can travel anywhere you want in the world while putting your skills to use. And of course, get paid. Disputed what you think you can earn way from more than $5 a job with Fiverr. Some freelancers are paid hundred and even thousands of dollars. So as you can see, Fiverr informs $5 reputation is thankfully long gone. Listed up digital nomads, travel and jobs cares. Fiverr is a great way to utilize your skill while earning a bit of extra cash on the side. So let's dive a bit deeper and learn how to make money on Fiverr. In this post, I showed you what the platform is all about, how to get started, and what sort of job are available on Fiverr, including the top 10 most regulations and popular gigs. Table of contents. What is Fiverr? How does Fiverr work? How to get started on Fiverr? How much does Fiverr cost? How to make money on Fiverr, top 10 job categories? How to get more sales on Fiverr? Pros and cons of Fiverr. Read to start marketing money on Fiverr. What is Fiverr? The put it simply, Fiverr is an online marketplace that offers a wide variety of services, tasks, and mini job. Founded in 2010, Fiverr aims to provide an online platform where freelancers can advertise and list their available technical digital services. On the sites, you will find millions of gigs from every type of skills, whether you are a design, web developer, layer, or even a musician. Fiverr has something up your alive.